Hello guys, this is Clean Touch once again. So today I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful frontal ponytail installation. And guess what, it didn't take me plenty of time. So if this is what you actually like, kindly stay glued. And if you're a first timer here, kindly subscribe, and thank you if you're a returning subscriber. I do appreciate you guys. So I started with straightening the hair because I actually want my frontal and my ponytail to look very, very smooth, straight and sleek. So I had to straighten the hair. Took my time and I went section after section to do this. So just take your time in doing, don't rush, take your time. Yeah, because the beauty of this hair comes when the hair comes out neat. So you want to take your time, you want to straighten the hair one after the other. Then I moved to using my hair wax to smoothen this hair. So I went section after section, but sorry I didn't show you all the video, like every part of the video. Then used my brush and my hand dryer to smoothen every part of the hair. Then I moved to using the stocking cap. Open both sides of the stocking cap so I can reveal her ear, and it's going to enable me to use my spray. So I'm using a butterfly shadow spray for this purpose. So yeah, the hand dryer to dry the hair. So this is me removing extra from the stocking cap. I went to her ear side, both ears. Yeah, so I had to do this so that I can have room for the glue to sit in. Now I know most of you actually like, or maybe might be saying, why do I have to use the stocking cap when doing this hairstyle? I really like it because when I use the stocking cap, it allows the lace to sit well, and I also had to protect her front hairs. So now this is me applying my glue. So I'm using the Love Beauty lace glue. You can do this like 3 times, go three lines or even more. Then I use the hand dryer to dry it and make sure that the glue melts completely before you apply the next coat. Your hand dryer. So I have to come again, check, making sure that my lace is properly trimmed. And if you see, I have to trim extra lace here. Any type of hair where you carry, bring them, come here. Clean Touch, we are here for you. We will make your hair come to life with comedy. Our office no far, Tejuosha complex. All the babes where they come, then they come first. When it comes to wig making, we they carry first. Branch first, make it contest. With a style hair for movies, weddings and photo shoots. Visit us today, make it follow cute. Fixing with closure not 3.5. Without closure not 2.5. Wig making na 7K, frontal 6K. How much you want pay? Our office day yaba, girls they find us come even from a boot metal with the F352. They do a short complex. You go find like model where they go beauty contest. Fine girl, I know they want you. Come Joe, let Clean Touch. So when I finished applying my lace glue, I had to use an elastic band to tie the hair. This is to make sure that the hair sits perfectly. So while doing this, I used my thread and needle to sew the lace, rather the frontal to the hair, so that I won't have a situation whereby the hair pulls out. So as you can see me doing this. So the next thing I did, but I didn't show, was to use my hot comb to flatten this hair. So guys, see the outcome, see how beautiful the hair is. Please kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for your time, and thanks for watching this video. Love you.